Did you know that one single leaf of this money plant can turn into a whole jungle at home? Let me show you in just a few simple steps.
Hi everyone. So today we will be propagating the money plant. You can see it's thriving well in winters also. Yeah, so what we will do, usually there is, you can see a root behind every leaf almost. Yeah, so what we will do, we will take a cutting. You see there is a root behind almost every leaf. So now what we can do, we can take the cutting as we cut. You see, do you see? So what we will do, we will put this in the water. Yeah, one more cutting. Yeah, you see here it has nice roots. So what we will do, we will try to cut from here. Sometimes you can even cut the leaf here, and then that you can put in water. Yeah, so this cutting has been sitting for almost two months. Yeah, and you can see the growth is slow, but still the roots are coming up. You can see here the roots are coming and the new leaf is also coming. Right, let's check the other one. This also, it's slow, but it's there. The roots are coming up and the new leaf is also coming up. Yeah, here also the root is coming up and the leaves are, this is the bigger one. Let me show you. Yeah, do you see? Yeah, what we can do, we can even remove this leaf. I think then it will set up nicely. Yeah, so try to keep it in indirect sunlight, in an indirect sunlight spot, and change the water every week so that the oxygen depletion doesn't happen. है ना? After that, keep it in indirect sunlight spot.